if you know that the Hong Kong, their industry structures are highly based on this finance industry. So if we want to continue development, we must take advantage of what we have. So that means Hong Kong should continue developing itself as an international financial center. Okay. In particular, on this one, we have some tailwind because Hong Kong already become the largest RMB central center. At the same time, we are trying to attract the capital inflow from different places. Initially, maybe we start with this money from US, from Europe, and nowadays we know that we can attract the money from the Middle East. We can attract the money from ASEAN because China is strengthening their economic and trade ties with all these regions. I think that's an advantage for Hong Kong. And the third one, I think the very interesting is now we are maybe the international, the interest rate environment could become better for Hong Kong. Because last year, if I talk about we are going to develop international centers, we are going to attract more money, the problem is US, they keep a very high interest rate, right? And when they have a high interest rate, of course, Hong Kong, through this linked exchange rate system, we can attract some, but most of the money will flow to the US rather than to Hong Kong. But nowadays, I think things become changed. You can see that the U.S. start to lower their interest rate, although maybe the rhyme, the pace could be high or low, but I think eventually they are going to continue to decrease their interest rate. That creates some opportunities for Hong Kong, because when you have a relatively lower interest rate worldly, you can attract more money inflows. I think that's a good one. But apart from this one, we need to know the uncertainties. The uncertainty is geopolitics. We are going to have this next U.S. president. We don't know how the relation between China and the U.S. will go under the new U.S. president. That means that there's a huge uncertainty to we can see China-related or the Hong Kong-related asset. That could affect this one. Hong Kong, I think relatively they have done a very good job over the past few years to manage this one. We developed our wealth management business, asset management business here in Hong Kong. I think that's very good. But how can Hong Kong to navigate all these geopolitics-related risk? I think that's a number one challenge to Hong Kong in the next few years.